project consists of a 10,000 square feet renovation in a 1972 constructed building. With roughly $2 million, the college will be able to expand its capability to produce more automotive graduates and offer students the opportunity to train in state-of-the-art learning facility and world-class equipment.
And so when you see the innovation in here, you see the area to actually train the future folks in this industry. There's a big history that this will continue to forge forward. For TCSG, we believe in having a globally competitive workforce for this state. But we also believe in giving folks the skills to actually make sure they have the opportunity for economic prosperity. So as you see this renovation, you see this facility being prepared for the future employees in this industry, there's a lot of folks who want to be part of this industry. And I'm so proud that Albany Tech, Dr. Griswold, you and your team have made an opportunity for the folks in this area to really forge forward with their dreams, their dream to be part of this industry.
This lab is more than just a place for students to learn the technical aspects of automotive systems. It's a space where they can embrace the future of transportation by gaining hands-on experiences that will prepare them for the challenges and the opportunities for tomorrow's industry. As we cut the ribbon today, we are not just opening a new lab, we're opening doors to countless possibilities for our students. This renovation symbolizes a belief in the power of education and the transformative role it plays in shaping the future of automotive technology. The Office of Congressman Bishop looks forward to a continued partnership with Albany Tech to inspire and prepare the next generation of leaders in this dynamic field.
Ribbon cuttings, groundbreakings, they're not just a photo opportunity. They're really the realization of a dream, of a vision, of a project. And today, we're cutting the ribbon on this fantastic facility that provides opportunities for all of our students, and all of our students are members of our community. So I'm grateful to Albany Technical College and all the partners that have made this possible.
My name's James Miller. I'm the automotive chair instructor here at Albany Technical College. I've been teaching here roughly 8 years. And this right here has been a long time coming to see this place blowing up this big. And we're looking forward to teaching surrounding counties, our local schools, and just anybody that wants to come into our program. And in addition, in the fall, we're scheduled to start teaching EV and hybrid.
Hello everyone, my name's Stoney Burt. I've been an automotive instructor here at Albany Technical College for about 15 years now. And here in the automotive program, we try to prepare our students to be future technicians, and we give them the knowledge and the skills they need to be successful in the field and to build from that. And this renovation and the EV and lab will help us definitely succeed that goal.
First of all, we're glad to support you guys today. You know, we're probably one of the primary consumers of this program. It's a challenge every day for us to find technicians. You know, every day you hear people come in the drive, hey, just hook the computer to it. It's not a computer. The computers tell you where things are going on, but it's still diving in and digging in. It's up to these guys over here to teach them not only what to put on, but why they're putting it on. Why is it failing? What's causing the problem? Get to the root cause. You know, I had a guy that come in the other day where he was having a radio issue. And he was like, well, he said, just put me a radio in. Well, you know, back in high school, I would go buy a radio, 2 speakers and an antenna, I had music. Now you got an iPad in the dash, you got a radio module, amplifier module, telematics module, communication module, human interface module. All of that has to work and communicate for your radio. You know, we as humans love our creature comforts, and every one of you guys are beneficiary. Every one of us have a vehicle of some sort. Technology's changing, the EV role's coming in, and it's growing. I mean, you see these EV come in and you look at the price tag and you look at the technology and you think, well, how do these sell? And then people are lining up and snatch them off the shelf. So it's coming and it's growing, and we need this to support the community. I mean, like I said, you can't find enough technicians, you can't groom enough technicians, and you need to feed the passion of these young guys that want to get in this industry because, you know, I know when I was in high school, I took automotive, and that fed my whole life. Everything I've done was because of my high school automotive career, and on and on and on. So, you know, that next step that they're going to pick up here is extremely important to those guys, extremely to us. So just want to kind of give a real world scenario.
And we got to talking, and she started talking about the EV program. And like she said, it's just like, hey, we have equipment that can teach that. And us at Technical Training Aids, we partnered with Albany Tech for many years, as well as the technical college system throughout the state. And our goal is to provide quality hands-on training systems that support these students at these technical colleges. Because it's one thing to say that you can do something, but it's another to put your hands on the equipment. And so us at Technical Training Aids, we're just grateful to Albany Tech and the TCSG system for allowing us to support them by bringing in our equipment and providing quality hands-on skills to these students. So thank you guys.
I left Merck on a Friday. On a Monday, I started here in 2006. I've enjoyed my stay. I've enhanced my automotive knowledge, and that was the whole objective, because I thought about how expensive it is to repair vehicles, and I have not had to take my vehicle to a automotive repair facility since 2006. I've been able to do all my work, so it comes in handy.